Ever been caught in a sudden downpour, only to realize your windshield wipers are totally useless? Picture this. You're on the road, rain's coming down, and all you've got is, wait for it, an apple. Sounds bizarre, right? But hear me out. If you slice an apple in half and rub the juicy side across your windshield, you're about to unlock a genius hack. Here's what's happening. The natural waxes and malic acid in the apple create a super smooth, water-repellent layer on the glass. Think of it as the lotus effect. Just like water rolling off a lotus leaf, now rainwater beads up and slides right off your windshield. Instantly, your view gets clearer and you can actually see the road, even without working wipers. But that's not all. Ever struggle with stubborn bug stains or road grime? The malic acid in apples is like nature's own cleaning agent. Just a quick rub, and those nasty spots start to dissolve. No harsh chemicals needed. And this trick isn't just for your windshield. Got foggy headlights? The apple works there too, making light shine through better, which means safer night driving. Now, I'm not saying you should skip basic car maintenance, but if you're in a pinch and can't get your wipers fixed right away, this apple hack could save your day and your visibility. If you found this little trick helpful, show some love by hitting that like button. Drop a comment with your craziest car hacks, and make sure you subscribe for more game-changing tips. Don't let a little rain slow you down. Sometimes, all you need is an apple.